So this is the electrical cupboard to the HMO. As you can see down here, we've got, which is not actually wired in yet, so this is a Cat5 cable going to every single room. So when the router is placed down here, we'll hardwire Ethernet points into each room to boost the internet signal. We've got these meters. We've got rooms 1 to 8. Each room will basically pay their own electric, solely just the sockets and lights in their room. You've got all the rooms, you've got the mains board, you've got the AFDD breakers, which are £100 each, absolute rip-off, but it's a rule and reg, unfortunately, of the HMOs as it stands. So you've got the key switches for the emergency lighting to test that, which needs testing. So these meters, the tenants upload the monies onto an online system, which updates this meter, which has SIM cards in, so there's no money exchanged. So it's all done electronically, and the money is then paid into my bank. So there's no money exchange, there's no coin meters, because there's been instances in the past where coin meters have been broken into. So it's just a hassle-free way, and it's a really good system. And essentially, you're number crunching, you're bringing your margins down. Your tenants aren't leaving TVs on and going away for the weekend. They aren't running up high bills with electric heaters. So it's a good system, and therefore saves you a lot of money. So this is the cupboard for the zone valves. As you can see, we've got rooms 1 to 8 again, so each room has its own zone. So basically the heating is controlled by its own thermostat in each room. It's a better system because to warm one room up when one tenant is in the house can take significantly less time. So therefore you're saving on bills again. I pay for all the heating and I pay for all the gas, but I use the electricity meters so the tenants just pay for the electricity. The tenants can turn the heating on at any point to a boost that I can control on the thermostat. So you can always mitigate how much they use their heating. I mean, you've always got to supply heating to any tenant for, I suppose, for a human right, but you can control the heating so a tenant isn't going up and pressing the heating up to 30 degrees and leaving the windows open. So it will only go to a temperature that you have set and for a certain time period that you have set. So this is the system that's used. This is the thermostat for the communal heating. So this will come on at, say, 6 in the morning till 8 in the morning. Then it'll come on 4 at night till 11 at night. So the communal areas are always warm for people that are normal, regular working pattern. And then we have them in each individual room, which when the tenant first moves in, we ask them what's the working pattern. If they were to work nights, then we'd ask them and we'd edit the thermostat for when they came in and came out. But they could boost it at any point to a certain temperature that we set to 22 degrees. We don't let it go any higher. And we also set it so it only goes on for 2 hours. So they can just boost the heating for 2 hours and no more. They can't, so they can boost it and leave the room, and the heating will go off after 2 hours. So they can't boost it and leave it running for hours and days on end.